What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith Pittman. I'm back with another video. Today I'm at Wild Bird right here on Sunset in Hollywood, and this is more of a chicken spot. Today they got a whole wide range of a menu. I got the quarterly bird. This is my second time here, and I'm really gonna put the nail in the coffin on this restaurant right here. This is the setup. They got watermelon drinks, pineapple over there. It's pretty dope. They've been open for like almost a year or so. So we're gonna get into it. Alright, let's get into it, man. As you can see, I have my watermelon drink. They got fresh pineapple, watermelon. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Because my first time here, I had a hangover, a real bad hangover. I was throwing up. I was in the corner throwing up. So many mixed drinks, so it was bad. They gave me a soup, a chicken pose soup right here with, it's like a green salsa. It has chickens in there. It's spicy a little bit. And I got rice with their chicken right here. A leg and a breast. That's how our plate looks. For me, everything came up to, let's say, like 18 bucks. And I also have chips. Chips goes good with the soup. Spicy. And this cures hangovers. I even dipped the chicken inside the soup. So, yeah. And the rice absorbs the alcohol inside your stomach. You come here, you will get cured. Chicken. Okay, it has like a lemony taste. This is good. Some good chicken. It's different. You can't get this nowhere else. It's definitely different from El Pollo Loco. It has its own, pepper, own unique taste. Let's get into this soup. Okay, I got goiza beans. As y'all can see. Chicken, spicy. A little bit of this. It's like a big hot soup. That's really good. That is good. And then I can dip my chicken breast in there. Yeah, that's good. Oh, this is called Wild Bird. Over here on Sunset and Vine, next to the ArcLight Cinemas. Let's see how our watermelon drink. See? Oh my God, that shit is good. Excuse my language. That's how good it is. It's natural, sweet. It's smooth. So smooth. Oh my God. Let's taste our rice. Okay, regular jasmine rice. I still taste the spiciness of the chicken. Pepper on it. Man, that's some good. Okay, so let's do the chicken. And today also is last day at my job. Enough for 9 to 5, because you need to put more time into what you're trying to do. You know, you focus that time on your 9 to 5. How can you ever do what you want to do in life? You know, so a 9 to 5 is going to be here to the day you die. If you're trying to chase a dream, go for that. Took me 6 years in LA to realize that. If you're working, you're just working just to work. You're not moving towards anything in life. Life's about enjoyment, you know, doing what makes you happy. Good watermelon drink. Chicken is good so far. It's unique. I never tasted no chicken like this. There's seasoning. It has a crispy outside. It's not burnt. That's pretty good. And then spicy soup. Okay. This place, I'm gonna give this chicken. This chicken is a 9 in my books. It's spicy, has the right spice to it. It's juicy. That's the thing. A lot of chicken dries. I don't know what. The soup is like the best thing in my book. The soup, chicken soup, I'm gonna give this a 10. It has a green spicy sauce to it. Oh my God. Chicken. The Goya beans in there. Oh my God. This is dope. This is a 10. If you're in LA, I would definitely stop by, try it. You never know, you might like it, especially for hangovers. All right, guys, thanks for rocking with me this morning, watching me. Like, subscribe to the video. Let me know what you want to see next time. Enjoy you guys Sunday. Peace.